Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Nikon E236N 40S tool presetter. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Designed to be bench mounted, the E236N features a ground granite base and column stainless steel construction and ergonomic design combined with a 5.7-inch TFT LCD touchscreen. This system provides full operator control and selection of options and functions via an intuitive icon system, allowing operational and functional simplicity that is second to none. The precision spindle system is fully interchangeable and utilises a one-piece cartridge, eliminating the need for adapters and the errors associated with their use. Also included with their E236N model is their DPP software package. Working via your DNC system, DPP converts measured tool data into CNC code for direct loading into the machine controller and associated tool offset pages. The features and specifications include the following. The power voltage is 24. It has a 5.7-inch TFT LED touchscreen matrix display. It has a 90mm by 120mm image size. It has 20 magnification. It has an auto measure X and Z focus control bars. The spindles are ISO, BT, IT, HSK, Capto and VDI. The X-axis is 0.001mm for radius and diameter. The Y-axis is 0.001mm. It has an X-axis diameter of tool by 0 to 260mm and a Z-axis of a length of the tool of 0 to 360mm, and it is stainless steel mechanical elements. Nikon solutions are the power behind some of the world's most demanding products, helping to improve productivity and increase competitiveness in some of the most challenging applications possible. Since 1989, Nikon Kosakusho Europe has been supplying Europe with the finest engineering products. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.